Hi, I'm Dan from Squamish Watersports. Come experience Squamish and the beautiful waters of Howe Sound. Rent a boat or a jet ski, or enjoy a boat tour with one of our certified guides. Come explore the beauty of Mother Nature and its amazing wildlife, including seals, sea lions, dolphins, orcas, whales, hundreds of starfish, and a variety of seabirds. The views from the open water really give you a new perspective to the different mountain ranges. Every corner and bend along the waterway will present you with its own beauty. Stop and experience rivers and creeks that spill into the ocean, the stunning and overwhelmingly large cliffs, beautiful rock formations, and the unique arbutus trees with its beautiful red bark that only grow in a few special spots along your boat ride. Explore from Squamish to Vancouver and all the way to the Sunshine Coast Gibsons for an unforgettable day on the water. Our boats and jet ski rentals and boat tours are perfect for individuals or families looking to get away from the hustle and bustle on land. We are open 7 days a week, so book ahead or come in for a last-minute experience. Our staff is ready to greet you at our private and beautiful waterfront property. We are proud to be the only water sports center in British Columbia to offer accessibility to people with disabilities. We have a man lift to get you into our boats or kayaks, as well as a 5-point harness system making it inclusive for all abilities. We also have change rooms and locker rooms for your belongings, as well as showers and even a jacuzzi that overlooks the water and the renowned Chief Mountain to complete an amazing experience. Your next water sports adventure awaits you here at Squamish Watersports.